And welcome to Poppy's Workshop and Scroll Saw 101. This short video, we're going to be talking about blade preparation and the way that I prepare my blades. Very easy to do, like pretty much everything that we have here. Now, this is a piece that I am working on, and I am going to be going to do the letters. And these are a little bit finer. Let me see if I can get that there so you can see. There we go. We can get in the big screen and the little screen. So now you can see in the little screen there. And this is for Norfolk, Virginia. And I've been debating about what blade to use. It was either going to be a 3 or a number 1, so I'm opting for a number 1. So what I do when I get a brand new blade, the first thing I do is I scuff the top and bottom of the blade. I remove any potential burrs from the manufacturing process that might be there. You can wrap it around, go like that. Or what I like to use is an old whetstone and I scuff it. So again, the first reason is to remove any potential burrs um, that happen in the manufacturing process, and also remove any oils and scuff it a little bit so there's a little bit more friction so that the chuck will hold it better. So this is a Flying Dutchman, and the Flying Dutchman Ultra Reverse has a little bend at the top of the blade, so I know my orientation without even looking. So what I do, since my eyesight is so bad, is I move my magnifying glass in. I'm in the tensioned position. That way I can see inside the chuck, and I position my blade in the same spot every single time. Then I just detension it, tighten it on the bottom, tighten it on the top, and then tension it again. Now, one extra step that I do is I also scuff at a 45 to 45 degree angle here is the back of the blade. Again, this will remove any potential burrs, but also round the back of the blade just a little bit. And that helps with a lot of the turns that I do versus having a very sharp 90 degree. That's just me. You may or may not want to do something like that, but that's it. Uh, After I do that, I detension, unhook it, pull it up, and tension it again because the blade will stretch a little bit. And there you go. We're ready to rock and roll. Now, this is a short video. If you have any suggestions as to what you would like to see in the 101 or even more difficult 201, which doing letters will be one of the 201 videos, I'd like to see a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it for this video. May the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here at Poppy's Workshop.